Well, the so-called surge for the coronavirus is coming. National models show U.S. cases could peak this weekend. However, here in Kern County, it could be several more weeks before we see the worst. 17's Alex Fisher explains.
This was the week health officials warned us about. Thousands already have died in the U.S. from the virus, and things are expected to get worse for a few more days.
The next week is going to be our Pearl Harbor moment. It's going to be our 9/11 moment. It's going to be the hardest moment for many Americans in their entire lives.
That was the U.S. Surgeon General on Sunday, warning what to expect this week. Now, we're here. Easter Sunday is expected to be the worst day for our country. It means the resources hospitals use will be spread thin. It also means nearly 2,000 Americans could lose their lives that day. But for us in Kern, it could be a preview.
As a nation, unfortunately, what we expect is we expect a lot more positive cases and unfortunately a lot more people in the hospital. For Kern County, we're actually a little bit behind our surge. Los Angeles is supposed to hit their surge this Sunday. That's when their surge starts, and we're about 2 weeks behind Los Angeles. So we shouldn't see a surge quite yet, but we will still see an uprise in the positive cases. And once again, the social distance, if we keep talking about that, is extremely, extremely important. The more we social distance, the further along the peak will be, and the flatter the peak will be as well.
Right now, the number of cases in Kern triple about every week. It took us 2 weeks to get to 100 cases. 4 days later, we surpassed 200 cases. And it took another 4 days to get to 300 cases. There's been major improvement in projections as more extreme measures are announced. Current projections show our state's curve could completely flatten by May 26th. That's 46 days from now. That means no one in the state would need a hospital bed for coronavirus. Alex Fisher, 17 News.
And a reminder, you can find all of our coverage on the coronavirus pandemic in one spot on our website, kget.com. Our coronavirus page also has different sections on resources, how to report concerns to officials, plus the latest numbers and headlines.